MeghalayaPost.news.
Shisngi hadin bagi executive member ka KHADC ila keno baka board Sensyar district nari Bhoi district kamsyam la Burom ya ka KHADC kalau ka jingkhang ya ka Khyrdop Lum Khajana ka KHADC ha Umdihar nakaliang u deputy commissioner ka Bhoi district u Abilash Baranwal mentaka sengi ula pensyai baka jingkhang ya ka Khyrdop ka KHADC ha Umdihar kamdei baka board Sensyar district kamsyam la Burom ya ka district council henry ka board Sensyar district ka khang kat kum ki kenon jok ai kumban perkenmau ki angut ki EM ka KHADC kata bakentup ya ba Powell Sokret EM in charge ka land development and information and technology. Baruba Winston Tony Lengdo, EM in charge ka trade enforcement, labor clearance certificate and revenue collection. Habakren sekilat perai kebor. Nin kesngi kila keno baka bor Sensyar district. Jong kari Bhoi kamsyam la Burom ya ka KHADC. Hakaba la syupak Khang Tala ya ka tega Khyrdop balabu dagi bor jong ka district council. Bat nakaliang u deputy commissioner ula pensyai. Bakam dei Satya kata ka jing bom Burom ya ka KHADC. Kabala pun kubor kat kum ka sik sedel. Hendrai la Khang ya ka tega Khyrdop kat kum ki kondon joka ai. Habakren berkino tok khobor mentas ni u Abilash Baranwal deputy commissioner kare Bhoi ulong bakam don kanu ka jing bom Burom ya ka district council bat ka jingkhang ya te Khyrdop Lum Pisa Umdihar kadai kat kum ka hukum jong ka sarkar jela bat ki kondon jok an haka bawat ka KHADC haka te ka order haka poin ke ba nriu la tok syai ma onam la ban penyang ya ki Khyrdop ha Surokba national highway.
We have highest regards for KHADC. It's a sixth scheduled state, so there is nothing like disrespecting KHADC. However, I mean, going by the work order that KHADC has given to that agent itself, if you'll see point number 6, it is clearly mentioned that it cannot be set up on the highway. So even in their own work order, it is mentioned that it cannot be on the highway. And it is also an instruction which we have received from Government of Meghalaya way back in 2021, wherein it was decided in consultation and concurrence with KHADC that no such check gate or toll gate can come up on state PWD roads or national highway. So there is a standing instruction from Government of Meghalaya. Their own order is also saying that it cannot be set up on the national highway. So that is why this gate was closed down. Otherwise, there is no point of disrespecting KHADC. In fact, over the last 2 months, both KHADC and CM Hima Milliam have set up more than almost 8 to 10 check gates. We have not closed down anything else. But the one that has been set up on national highway, which is against their own work order, that only has been closed down.
MeghalayaPost.news.